Now at noon, the Plymouth County District Attorney sharing new details in the body found in a car outside a South Shore hospital. They have charged a man with murder this morning, but his attorney says they've got it wrong. Boston 25 News reporter Amal El-Hel is live outside Hingham District Court. A lot of new information, Amal, just coming out here in the last 60 minutes.
That's right, Kale. We just heard from the district attorney, and we're learning more about what led up to that incident that ended with a man's body being found inside of a car outside of South Shore Hospital. Now, the suspect in this case, Christopher Carone, was arraigned this morning in Hingham District Court. That's when we learned a text was sent on August 12th for the suspect and victim to make plans to travel to Maine from Massachusetts, or from Maine to Massachusetts, rather, that they could hang out. This is all according to state prosecutors. 10 days later, on the 22nd, the pair purchased fentanyl and cocaine in Boston. Later that night, the defendant, Chris Carone, Googled Narcan and asked a woman to bring Narcan to where they were staying. State prosecutors say she got there around 3 a.m. and saw the victim, 27-year-old Declan Perry, on the floor unconscious. She administered 3 doses of Narcan and reported hearing his heart beat fast. And by 7 a.m., she said Perry was dead. She told Carone to call the police, but he said he couldn't because he would get kicked out of his family's home. State prosecutors say the defendant tried to move the body but couldn't. That's when he wrapped the body in blankets and put it in a container and pushed it up the stairs. This is all according to state prosecutors. Neighbors offered their assistance with the defendant, telling them it was a hockey mannequin that he was trying to move. Once in the car, he drove to South Shore Hospital, which is where he left the victim's body in a car for hospital staff to later find. Carone left before police got there. Law enforcement issued a warrant for his arrest last Friday, and on Saturday, Carone turned himself in. After the arraignment today, we heard from Plymouth District Attorney Tim Cruz.
The investigation is ongoing. We're still waiting for further information regarding toxicology, other further examinations that need to be done. But at the end of the day, we had sufficient probable cause to charge this individual with arrest for homicide, for the unlawful killing of another human being with malice.
Now, we did hear from Carone's attorney, who sent us a statement that reads, quote, "We are confident that as the facts unfold in this case, this will be an example of the Massachusetts State Police jumping to conclusions and charging someone with murder when the evidence makes clear that what took place was a tragedy and not a crime." The investigation is ongoing, but we do know that Carone is being held without bail, and his next hearing is scheduled for September 29th. We are live in Hingham. I'm Amal El-Hel for your local station, Boston 25 News.